Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make you an infinite craft full guide. First, gather wood, stone, and iron near your spawn to build a stable workstation. Place a crafting bench and furnace side by side to speed up recipes. Stock healing potions and extra tools in your quickbar to avoid returning to base. Follow these steps and you'll streamline early crafting and survive longer in every session. To form the U-shape, start by laying 3 blocks horizontally as the base and build upward on both sides. Make sure each arm is 2 blocks tall so the U looks proportional and functional for item placement. Keep the center open so you can access and store materials easily without breaking your structure. This simple build provides a compact workstation that fits in tight bases and looks tidy in any biome. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides for you. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long builds with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for gaming marathons and fits in cup holders. You'll find the link and other deals in the description below, so check that out when you can. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now add functionality by placing chests within the U to keep resources organized and easily reachable during crafting sessions. Install a furnace and crafting bench at the open center so you can smelt and craft without leaving your workstation. Add lighting like torches and a bed nearby to ensure safety and a fast respawn point. These small upgrades can make the U an efficient hub for long crafting runs and quick repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.